Hello folks, I'm back out in the garage again today. I think today I'm just going to be doing some piddling, straightening up my toolbox and stuff like that. But I do plan on doing a Craigslist rebuild, as Derek over at Vice Grip Garage calls it, on the back bumper. Uh, it was silver originally, but definitely needed some love. So we're going to do that today as well. But it'll probably be a pretty short video. I did get yesterday. I'll put some pictures or maybe even video. I think I took some video of it, of putting some paint over top of all the Pour 15 that I put in the cab, and I'll put that in there. I did that yesterday, and so it might be a pretty short video. We'll see. But I do appreciate you guys watching, and I'll bring you along for the ride. It's pretty dirty in here. I'm gonna see how well I can get it cleaned out with just a whisk broom and a rag and some paint thinner. See what I can get done. I don't think I'm going to paint all this up in here. Nothing really wrong with it, but I would like to get it a little cleaner. But if I don't, that's okay too. Okay, I got the floorboards painted, both sides, where all of the Pour 15 was put down. Kind of makes you want to paint the rest of it, but I'm not that ambitious with this right now. Maybe at a later date, if I go to repaint the whole truck again, I might do it over again. But eventually this is all going to get covered by carpet. It won't be seen. I just wanted a little extra protection on top of that Pour 15 and to kind of blend it all in. So that's what I've got done so far. I'm going to see about pulling the back bumper around and see if I can work on it a little bit. I need to pull the tag lights out if possible, and then paint it as well. So that's what I'm going to tinker with next. While I was in the truck, I looked into the glove compartment, and I found the last registration for this thing. You can see that it expired 1/19 of 09. And it was issued 1/25 of 08. So that's the last time this vehicle was on the road. Just to show you that I wasn't kidding about the amount of time it had been since this vehicle ran. Well, I looked through my collection of spray paints, and to do the hubcaps here, I decided to go ahead and go back with the way they were. So I'll be putting black in here, and then yellow in the Chevy emblem, and then in this groove right along in here is how they were originally. Now what was in it originally, it was a real faded yellow. I don't know if that's the way they were from the factory, but I have something here that's similar, I guess, but this is like more of a off-white or cream color. So I think I'm just going to wait until I can get some actual yellow and do it that way. And what I'll do is I'll spray. I don't think I'm going to try masking all this stuff off. It might work. Take forever. But I've thought about just spraying it into a cap, and then with a small brush just going in and doing all that. Of course, that might take even longer. I don't know. We'll see. But it's not going to get done today. I'm just kind of piddling around out here in the garage and started looking for that. And that's what I come up with. Like I say, I will go back to original. Yellow in here, yellow in this groove right here, and then black in all of these recessed areas here. Here, yeah, here. So that's what I'm going to do eventually. Well, I've been just piddling today. Look at here, I can actually get the top of my box closed. That hasn't happened in years. This whole year, working out here in the garage, working on this truck, I've really enjoyed it, but before now, back when I used to build race cars and stuff like that over in Germany, we always had some music going in the background. You can't do that on YouTube. Don't know if you know that or not. The folks that don't have channels might not even know that. But you'll get flagged real quick if you have somebody else's music in the background even. So I just last weekend, or just about 2 days ago, I got me some music out here that I play if I'm not filming. And I had a channel here in West Virginia that I used to listen to all the time that played classic country music. Can't find it on this particular receiver. I think it's actually gone, the channel altogether. But so I keyed in, I tuned into a local country channel. They call themselves country. You don't hear much Alan Jackson or Garth Brooks, or they don't even think about Merle Haggard or somebody like that. It just ain't gonna happen. It's all this, I like to call it hick hop. Hey folks, if you're gonna be doing a lot of spray can spray painting, I highly recommend one of these. It's I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's actually made by or sold by Rust-Oleum. Sure makes spraying with spray bombs a lot easier. Okay, so as you saw, as Derek over at Vice Grip Garage would say, we did a Craigslist rebuild on this bumper. It's brand new. Anyway, I didn't get a whole lot done out here today, just the bumper. I did a lot of reorganizing in my toolbox. Back about 12 years ago, 15 years ago, when my toolbox came up here from Florida, it got knocked over. Tools went everywhere. So ever since then, everything's been completely in a complete disarray. So now I've got most of it all squared away. But it's a lot of tedious work. If you've ever done it, it's a lot better to keep it straight as you go along. But anyway, I'm gonna call it a day for today. I'm kind of getting high on these fumes, and get out of here and go get some groceries in my belly. But I appreciate you guys watching, and if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and leave me some comments. Let me know what you think about this Craigslist rebuild. Thanks for coming along for the ride.